Welcome to part 2 of our pulled pork and zucchini crust series. I'm loving sharing with you what I do when I make things in large quantities. So today we are going to make pulled pork tacos. These are going to be another quick, easy meal. Remember, when you have all of this already in your fridge, you could make up a meal super quick. When I come home from work each day, it is so nice to have something ready that I can throw together really quick and we can still have a delicious meal. To get started, I like to use my taco forms. If you don't have these, that's okay. You can still make a taco, and this will be in the description below. But this makes it really easy to just make those tacos quick and easy. Just gonna go ahead and set that down. I'm gonna put my zucchini crust right in here. And you're gonna get 4 tacos, so this is gonna be awesome. Okay, once I have those in there, I'm gonna go ahead and add my pork. So we're gonna have a total of 2.5 ounces of pork. And we're just gonna go ahead and try and distribute that as evenly as possible. We'll just add that pork right in there. Just fill those right up. Make sure you get all of it there. Then we're going to use 1 ounce of reduced fat cheese, and we're just gonna sprinkle that right on top. Now, one of the other things I like to do with these is you can melt the cheese right on the zucchini crust and have that already on there. Next, I'm gonna use my avocado slicer. I'm just gonna cut this, bring these back up here. We're gonna add a little bit of avocado to this. And I'm only gonna use about 1 ounce. You really don't need a healthy fat with the pork. So you can choose whether you add this or not. And then I like to go ahead and slice my jalapenos. So they're gonna be in strips. We're just gonna stick some of those right on there. And just top with a little bit of green onion. And just a little bit of cilantro. And of course, that is optional. And that, my friends, is going to be one amazing meal. I can't wait to dig in and eat this. It's gonna be so good. Remember, you do get all 4 tacos, okay? So you will have 1 full lean, 3 greens, and depending on what you wanna choose, if you're gonna have 1, 2, or 3 condiments on your tacos. Enjoy these.